Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Anshika and I've scored 96% in my class 10 boards. And today in this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can score your dream score or your expected score. So without any further ado, let's begin this video. Step 1 is NCERT reading is very important. So you have to read it like multiple times. Since we know that NCERT reading is very important, all the boxes, orange and blue boxes, are very important. Secondly, the in-text questions are very important. They often repeat in the previous year questions, so they're very important. And the third, the back exercise or the book questions are important. So you have to complete all of them after completing a chapter, because हम उसमें ना थोड़ा we try to procrastinate that, like we have read a particular chapter and we might think that okay, let's do this tomorrow and not today, the exercise questions, but you need to do it. So go through that once. Since we know NCERT reading is definitely very important, and you can make notes in NCERT also. Like if I talk about note making, you can make notes in NCERT also. Like side में pages पे दिया होता है, the white space is given, so you can make your notes there. Do not create a first, make it like little more neater and creative, so that you can utilize that space and revise multiple times from the book itself whenever you need. So I'll show you how I used to do that. Talking about practice, how to do practice. A lot of you people ask me that how is the EduCard book, because you guys are using it. So I wanted to just let you know how it is, because you guys asked to review it, and so I bought this book by EduCard. It is written by Prashant Bhaiya. I feel this book is very important because this aligns with the teachers, how he teaches and everything. So if you are one of the student of Prashant Bhaiya, then you will definitely like this book. So yes, definitely this book covers almost all the points that I'm gonna cover in this video, because it is NCERT simplified. NCERT is given in this book in a simplified way. Then real life concepts are also given, competency examples are given, and marks breakdown tips are also given in this particular book for theory. If we talk about the practice questions, then all objective and subjective questions are given. Previous year questions of 10 years are given, toppers answers, and 3 sample papers are given in bonus for you. So definitely you can buy this book. This is written by Prashant sir or Prashant Bhaiya, and this is one of the best books. If you follow Prashant sir, you will know that. Chapter wise coverage, each chapter is explained in a very structured way, making it super easy to follow. Even notes are given for every topic, so you don't miss out on any important points. Concepts are connected with practical real life examples for better understanding. All the key headings and announcements are written clearly for quick revision. Every concept is supported with relevant examples, so you understand it deeply. Even all NCERT textbook questions are solved and explained. Activities and experiments from the NCERT are also given to strengthen your learning. Right? So you can see that here you will find all the NCERT questions according to the Bloom taxonomy, and the question has very manageable and very good explanation of the answers, and you will see that the topics are given, and along with that the activity based question. The main highlight of this book is activity based questions, because in other book you will not find that, but it has activity based questions along with very good explanation. Objective questions are there, like a lot of questions are given in this particular book. Along with that, case based question, case study are also given. They're very helpful, and people find it super difficult also to answer it, but it's manageable. Then we have the short answer type question. In short answer type questions, we have the NCERT exemplar questions also, right? Because a lot of students ask, like, should we do NCERT exemplar for science? So if you are doing this book, then you do not need to go for any other book, because it has an NCERT exemplar also. These are the short answer type questions. Second, then we have the long answer type question. Then these are the toppers corner. How topper usually answer their questions. This is given it here, and a lot of questions are there in this book. This is the best part of the book, that you will not regret taking this. The toppers answers makes you familiar with the kind of questions are coming, how you can answer that. So it is very good for you, right? right? And along with that, we have worksheets so that you can check how much you know. You can test yourself along with these. They're going to be very helpful for you. So I think this is
So if
overall
you guys
the best
want to
book
purchase
I've
this book,
seen.
I'll provide the link in description. So yeah, go for that and you can purchase from there.
About the next thing, that is note making.
As I have already said, NCERT is very important and you can make your sideway notes in NCERT itself. Second, we know that a refresher or a standard book is definitely very important, but going for a very bulky book like Lakshmi Singh or Manjeet Kaur, it's very heavy and bulky and you will not be able to complete it. It's very exhausting. So for that, we need a reference book and I already provided that book, whatever you want to go for. Need a reference book. Second, third is your NCERT notes. Although your notes are there in the first and second options only because NCERT is your notes, but it is bulky. So reference book has mind maps and revision notes kind of thing. But still, if you want to make your notes, you can make short notes for third for yourself. I will not advise you to create bulky notes because they itself will form a book and you are not gonna revise it again. Never. About the next thing, that is concept clarity is a must. In science, when we are talking about science particularly, concept clarity is a must. It's very important because whatever chapters you're doing, you must know why this thing is there, why it happens like this only, why we cannot do this in another way, right? Because it is a science and science needs clarification, scientific things. So definitely you need clarity for yourself so that you can write in your board examination. Even if another kind of question, even if a competency based question, even if like kind of question comes, so you will be able to answer it if you have clarity of the concept. Now talking about the next topic, that is best teachers on YouTube. So we already know that is Prashant Bhaiya or Prashant Kirat sir. Science and Fun. Second channel will be Science and Fun. It's great too. So you can go for either of the two teachers, whatever you like. And yeah, that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, then please subscribe to this channel, share this video with your friends and like and share this video. So yeah, that's all for today's video. If you have any freaking query, feel free to ask in the comment section and I'll be replying to that. So yeah, that's all and I'll meet you next time with a new and a great video. Please suggest whatever you want, I'll do that. Bye.